I'm Gary Orren, Professor Emeritus at Harvard University. I've been working with Cambridge International Consulting, CIC, for many years. It's one of my favorite activities. At the CIC workshop, I talk about persuasion, how you can most effectively convince other people to change their attitudes or change their behavior so that you can accomplish your goals. Persuasion lies at the very heart of what you're expected to do every day. You know, in management, 2% of the problem is making a decision. 98% of the problem is convincing other people to accept your decision. I shine the spotlight squarely on 98% of the problem. Let me give you a quick idea of what it is I talk about in the workshop. I begin by identifying the top principles and techniques of persuasion. We illustrate these principles with examples drawn from many different settings. I note the similarities and the differences between persuasion on the one hand and negotiation on the other hand, emphasizing the strengths and the weaknesses of each of these approaches. I address the question of manipulation. When does ethical persuasion become unethical persuasion or manipulation, and how can we avoid that? And finally, I apply the principles to a number of very memorable case studies, including a role play exercise in which the participants try to use the principles of persuasion to persuade other participants at the workshop about an organizational change in policy. The CIC workshop has great take-home value. Former participants tell us that they use what they've learned at the workshop every day on the job, and I expect the same will be true for you. I invite you to join me and my CIC colleagues at the Persuasion and Negotiation Workshop in Cambridge, Massachusetts. I look forward to working with you.